Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to consume vital proteins collagen using an easy method. Getting your daily dose of collagen is simpler than you might think, and it can truly support your overall wellness. We'll cover how to effortlessly integrate this beneficial supplement into your daily routine, ensuring you get the most out of every scoop. It's all about making it a seamless part of your day, without any fuss or complicated steps. One of the easiest ways to enjoy your vital proteins collagen is by mixing it into hot beverages. Simply add 1 or 2 scoops, which is about 10 to 20 grams, directly into your morning coffee, tea, or even hot chocolate. Give it a good stir for about 30 seconds and watch it dissolve completely. You won't even notice it's there, as it's completely unflavored, making it a perfect addition to your favorite warm drink. If you prefer cold beverages, Vital Proteins Collagen blends beautifully into those too. Try adding 1 or 2 scoops to a glass of cold water, your favorite juice, or a refreshing smoothie. For optimal smoothness, especially in cold liquids, a blender or a shaker bottle works wonders. Just give it a good shake or blend for about 20 seconds, and you'll have a perfectly mixed, nutrient-rich drink ready to enjoy. Beyond drinks, you can get creative with your collagen intake. Consider stirring 1 or 2 scoops into your morning oatmeal, a bowl of yogurt, or even a savory soup. It's a fantastic way to add a significant protein boost, typically 10 to 20 grams, to your meals without altering their taste or consistency. The versatility of Vital Proteins Collagen means you have endless possibilities to support your wellness journey every single day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.